How can we change the behavior of our customers? We can achieve this by leveraging a framework known as the theory of planned behavior, or TPB for short. TPB is an established behavioral psychological theory that links beliefs and behavior. It was developed by Isaac Eisen in 1985 and since been applied to studies of the relations among beliefs, attitudes, behavioral intentions, and behaviors in various aspects of business, such as marketing, public relations, and advertising campaigns, and across numerous industries. TPB has also improved the predictability of intention in various health-related fields, such as condom use, leisure, exercise, diet, etc. The theory of planned behavior provides a model for understanding how we can change the behavior of people, such as our target customers, our business partners, our management team, our employees, key stakeholders, and so forth. It is a theory which predicts deliberate behavior, because behavior can be planned. According to TPB, human behavior is guided by three kinds of considerations. First, we have behavioral beliefs. These are beliefs about the likely consequence of the behavior. Second, there are normative beliefs. These are beliefs about the normative expectations of others. Lastly, we need to examine control beliefs. These are beliefs about the presence of factors that may facilitate, or may impede, the performance of the behavior. In their respective aggregates, behavioral beliefs produce a favorable or unfavorable attitude toward the behavior. Normative beliefs result in subjective norm. And control beliefs gives rise to perceived behavioral control. Attitude toward behavior, subjective norm, and perceived behavioral control together shape an individual's intentions and behaviors. The PowerPoint slide below provides a visualization of TBP and all its components. In this slide, we see all three types of beliefs directly drive intention. So, what is intention exactly? Intention is an indication of an individual's readiness to perform a given behavior. It is assumed to be an immediate antecedent of behavior. Intention is based on attitude toward the behavior, subjective norm, and perceived behavioral control, with each predictor weighted for its importance in relation to the behavior and population of interest. Still looking at the PowerPoint slide, this begs the final critical question. What is behavior? Behavior is an individual's observable response in a given situation with respect to a given target. Eisen said a behavior is a function of compatible intentions and perceptions of behavioral control in that perceived behavioral control is expected to moderate the effect of intention on behavior, such that a favorable intention produces the behavior only when perceived behavioral control is strong. In general, the more favorable the attitude toward behavior and subjective norm and the greater the perceived behavioral control, the stronger the person's intention to perform the behavior in question should be. Therefore, given a sufficient degree of actual control over the behavior, people are expected to carry out their intentions when the opportunity arises. It is important to be aware that TPB does have some limitations. Factors such as demographics and personality aren't in this framework. There is no clear definition of perceived behavioral control, and so it is hard to measure. The more time between behavioral intent and actually doing the behavior, the less likely the behavior will happen. The theory assumes that perceived behavioral control predicts actual behavioral control. Also, the theory assumes people are rational and make systematic decisions based on available information. And it ignores unconscious motives. So, do you have any thoughts on how you can leverage the theory of planned behavior in your work? Leave your ideas in the comments below. To learn more about the theory of planned behavior, take a look at our framework presentation on the topic, which we have linked to in the video description. In fact, in the video description, we have included links to frameworks on all the key management concepts discussed in this video. If you are interested in additional strategic frameworks on customer and behavioral strategy, take a look at our offering called the Strategy Development Stream. This is a collection of over 80 best practice frameworks covering all aspects and phases of strategy. Our frameworks are based on the thought leadership of leading consulting firms, academics, and recognized subject matter experts. Links to our relevant offerings are in the description. For effective strategy development and strategic planning, we must master both strategy and tactics. Our frameworks cover all phases of strategy, from strategy design and formulation to strategy deployment and execution, as well as all levels of strategy, from corporate strategy to business strategy to tactical strategy. Many of these methodologies are authored by global strategy consulting firms and have been successfully implemented at their Fortune 100 client organizations. We have included links to all frameworks referenced in this video in the video description. If you have any questions, please leave them as comments below. If you enjoy these types of videos on business frameworks, methodologies, and management models, then be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, check out Flevy.com directly for thousands of best practice business frameworks and tools. We regularly publish videos like this one across a multitude of management topics, from product strategy to behavioral strategy to marketing mix.